Make sure to look on the other side of the road. Oh, there's a new pizza station here. And they built this up pretty quick, so I'm wondering when it's going to open. I love a bit of pizza. Oh, it is open. Nice one. Alright, good to know that that's open, because I do want a good pizza. There is a steak restaurant around the corner that serves pizza, but like me, if I want pizza, I'm going to go to a pizza restaurant. I got cold brew coffee takeaway, and it feels hot this time. The girls have got it sorted. They were quite busy. Alright, instead of just doing the loop today, we're going to head over that way. Alright, what's 2026 got in store for you out there? Drop a comment below. I'd like to know what everybody's up to. What would you like to see from me? Where would you like me to go? But welcome to 2026. It's the 1st of January. It's a great way to start the day. Did you have any New Year's resolutions? Myself, I didn't. Mornings like this, get up, get out, go for a walk. So this is just beyond Ecopark. Ecopark going to a whole nother area. This is cool. I'm going to discover some more coffee shops, some more restaurants up here. Come along for the ride. It's going to be a good one. What a cool little hut. Almost look like a wedding. Might come back and crash it. For strong. Over here, coffee shops, restaurants, apartment buildings, and it's all still part of Ecopark. Ecopark's quite a big area. You see the legs on that rooster? Now, I've seen these around, but haven't taken much notice. Their legs are huge. I'm not sure. Oh, you get chicken feet as a dish. You'd only need one of them. Oh, this is a great morning walk. I don't mean to sound too enthusiastic, but tea shops everywhere. Oh, look at these bonsais. Man, this is like bonsai fruit tree extraordinaire. And I'm telling you, this is 100% real. This is not fake. Look. They're as real as you're gonna get. They're nearly as big as my head, which means they've got to be pretty big. And you see the pots they're in. The pots alone are crazy. Just blows me out, like how much fruit is on that tiny tree. And that's because they're up there. They know what they're doing. I think so clean. Like the gardens are so clean. If there's a leaf on the ground, they're sweeping it up. And being quite high-end area, you would think it'd be like really expensive to stay around here, but it isn't. Look at that. So nice. Plants, carvings. And this is totally a different area down here. like stepping into another whole different country. Hey, this is epic. I love Vietnam. Let's go suss out the markets. They're the best strawberries that I've seen. And that lady was so nice. Oh, chicken. I don't know if that's fish bananas. Oh. Alright, we've got to get to the ATM. Hey, this is a good spot. I like this. What an awesome place. Unexpected. That's why you go. That's why you walk. Wow, 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 is all I can say. Hey, it is another world down here. I didn't even know any of it existed. ATM. Oh yeah, there's one over there. Awesome. Let's see if the card works. So some of the best banks in Vietnam to come to is VT Bank, and Techcom. And before I talk too much, let's just see if this works. Not as easy as I was trying to get 10 million out. The only way I'm going to find out about their fees is when I get back. I'll jump on my ING app and then I'll let you know. Well, no money, no honey. 1,000. Choose. $2.50 for a double shot Americano large. Thank you. This is a big coffee. This could do me some mischief, if you know what I mean. Oh, that was a big coffee. All right, I'm pumped. Let's go back into the thick of it. Man, I'm gonna have to come back down here. There's that many restaurants. Yeah, the strawberries look so good. Knife and fork, anybody? Pair of secateurs. Oh, jerky. Jerky could be on the cards. Okay, I just tried some jerky and it was amazing, but just in two bigger bags. I just want small bags. See how big they are. Oh, look at these ones. They're like grapefruit. Woo! Let's get into it. Let's go dance. Woo! Stuff that I'm looking at, I don't know what it is. Oh, there's some Japanese whiskey, but I know what that is. Milk coffee, egg coffee, coconut coffee. Once again, everything's got sugar in it. We're just looking at this little egg press. So this is also in Vietnam. Put your coffee down there, put that on top, fill it up with water, and then you put that on the cup. This is good for motorbike riding because it's so light. Yeah? It's cool. Everybody's recycling their shoes. but they've been spotlessly cleaned. Everything has been cleaned and then put on a shelf. Everybody's just so happy and friendly. Like, I have not seen another foreigner here in this entire market. Oh, there's so much food around. Oh, look at the sausage. It's funny, when I see the battered long things, I just automatically think of fish, but they're not. It's just a battered banana. Fucking hell, they mangoes. Fucking hell. Check out that mango. Look how big it is. It's massive. Look how big they are. Got mangoes. Come on, man. Strawberries. I'm going to get a grab because I feel it's going to rain and we've got other things to do. All right. Go grab. All right, we've just ordered a taxi. He's like 4 minutes away. He's going to take me 3 kilometers for 75 cents. It's a nice restaurant. Have some lunch, have a couple of beers, listen to some music. You know how it goes. Awesome, they just know who you are. Full of restaurants. Good timing, people, because it's just about to start raining.